Indonesia has enjoying 10 years of commodity boom, and now the commodity boom is not there anymore. So there are no other way than developing the mineral as a raw material for manufacturing to get the value added. We still can tap the value added rather than export the raw material. So we capture all the value added domestically, not only to get the better value, but also to get the job in Indonesia. We have many sectors that we try to promote, and Indonesia, one of the strongest sectors, also the resource-based industry through the mineralizations or downstream of the industry, from exporting ferronickel as raw materials. Currently, Indonesia can produce stainless steels up about 2 million tons per year, and expected by the end of 2018, the total production of stainless steel will be 4 million tons. We are developing the carbon steel. Today our capacity about 6 million tons, and we expect that 2023 or 2022 we can achieve 10 million tons. One of our also primary product is the palm oil and oleochemicals as its downstream, which contribute to the export market as well. I think the role of this extractive industry in the future, it should be support for this more value added. One of the major challenges is higher cost of energy. Since Indonesia in energy sector's regime, actually in the past, concentrating on the export market. When they develop the gas, they always try to get the off-taker for export. So because of that, then the domestic industry cannot get competitive gas price. The second challenge, of course, that we try to resolve is the education level. But we try to transform the education. We try to do a long-term view to developing Indonesian competitive through transformation of the education. And the third challenge, of course, the sustainability practice. Since developing the industry is also including the smallholder, not the big holder. This is the role of the government to make sure that the smallholder also practice the best practice of the sustainable development. I think from the Ministry of Industry, we certainly think that that's the tool to be used. And second, of course, the public consultation is important. So besides economic impact assessment, then we would like to get to hear the voice of the public as well. So through this combination of regulations, and we also listen to the multi-key stakeholder. So we believe that the policy that we produce will be more prudent and more transparent. For the industry, mostly we are open for the investor in the manufacturing sectors. I understand that they are looking into more on the services rather than on the manufacturing. The services like in the distributions, the warehousings, the electronic payment, the e-marketplace, which actually what I would like to do, I would like to see Indonesian startup companies to have a certain level of capacity, then let's the fintechs take over the growth of opportunities. I don't want that from the very first beginning, the big player play in the market in which there will be no possibility for young entrepreneurs to start or to develop the business. I think we are quite generous at the moment to give tax allowance. We can give tax allowance 7 years, 15 years. Even we consider if the economic is not working, then to consider about 30 years of tax incentive. And we have also tax allowance. So we can play the tax incentive and tax allowance then to make the project a better return for IRR.